Be nice. Be nice. Ismail, we did.
Hi. Just because she's gonna scratch me.
No biting. Beer at the pub. We are beer at the pub. We are beer. Welcome to our tribute.
Gig.
Welcome to my gig.
Super.
I got this girl and she wants me to dupe her. Turning up round, she said super. Sounds great. Shawty goes a trooper. No matter what I needed to do, she be like super.
Whoa. Do you know how far I can zoom in on this?
How far?
Do it. Try it. Use that one. You can slide it.
Oh my god, wait.
Yeah.
So if I like... Dude, is that when it stops? Oh my god.
Crazy.
That is insane. I just zoomed in on the button on the chair.
That's crazy.
It's amazing. I can like just zoom all the way into the atoms in your face. Directly into your eyeball. And then come back out your mouth. Can this flip round? Yes.
Wait, can you see?
No, I'm overshadowed. Nobody can see me. Hello world. Let me zoom in on my face. Dude, that's sick. And then we flip you back round. Booze. Why are you fingering my beard, bro? Okay. I'm done. Bruv date with the missus. Which bit do I put the liquid in? Oh, it's all over my fingers now. Don't record this. Don't record my nittiness. Can't let the people know I'm a nitty.
What people?
I don't know. Is this for the personal collection? The wank bank. Okay, bro.
Yeah, that's why I'm zooming in on your hands.
Yes, that's why I love masturbating. I love looking at the vape in Josh's hand. Cut that, cut the clip.
It's towards the end of October.
Are you embarrassed?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a regular, it's an annual.
Why?
Stop. Because there's just a camera on me constantly.
Sorry.
And I'm vaping.
Well, if it eases your discomfort, it's just for me.
Okay.
So would I. Wednesday, 6:30.
Bronze fines. You've tried the rest, now try the best. Hell yeah.
I'll bring my and people and you can and the
Oh, I can see myself.
Yeah. And I can't. You look so pretty.
Dude, your camcorder's sick. Well,
Thank you.
me and the boys in Brom. Can you imagine? You,
Me and the boys going to Birmingham.
Going to
Tell the chef to cook us some Cajun fries.
Then we go and chill in Yokuzi.
I'm sorry.
Recording bro's addiction.
I'm sorry. My strange addiction.
My strange addiction's vape.
Oh.
Wait, let's get some techiness on the go. Oh! Oh.
Again.
He's techie with it.
Oh. Wait.
Yeah, that's fire. Yo!
Oh, again.
Yo. Bro's too good. Oh!
I'm getting straight clips right now. You got too confident.
Oh! Tray flip. 180 pop shove. Oh! God damn it. Ooh. Ooh. Missed. Oh well. Was that techie or not?
It was really techy.
Do you love me for my vape tricks?
I do.
Did you get that? Clip that,
Mom, get the camera! Bro, you're nonchalant.
Nonchalant as hell, boy.
Hi.
Hello.
You're really cute.
Thanks. Do you want my number?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
There's nothing there.
Oh.
Why are you going left? You went back on yourself.
Well, for me, that's
Boy, you were
left to right.
literate. You were literate as hell.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Should animate that.
I'm gonna. I actually don't know what your number is.
07853454388. Yeah. This is my wife, guys. Look how beautiful she is. She's so gorgeous. I love her so much. Look, if we zoom in on her. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then this is me and my wife. Oh yeah. We're going. Oh. There we go. We're going to back to the pub to look at music now.
This next song is the first single we put out, and it's called From the Start. Take it away, boys.
Kissing
Thank you.
Buckle my shoes. Buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Did you listen to it?
Oh, no, I
Guys, we're gonna see Horse Jumper in Love.
Nod your head.
Speaking to chat.
Nod your head.
Huh?
Nod your head. Yeah.
Hello, chat. Wrong way. Hello, chat.
This is just a mirror.
Music. Me and Shira are on a date, and we're here to see Horse Jumper in Love. We just saw Gingham, and they were really good.
You're so pretty.
And they've only got 2 songs on Spotify, but they have loads more, and they were really good. And we enjoyed them a lot. And overall, I think we were just really happy and having a nice time being there. I just burped. No, don't zoom in on me. And yeah, we're gonna see Horse Jumper Love, and then we're gonna get a taxi home. And I've got
No, we're not. We're getting a taxi to the train station. And
no,
then
we're gonna get a taxi to the train station, and then we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna get about 4 hours of sleep.
How many things did I buy you today?
Huh?
How many things did I buy you today? Did I spoil you?
Shira's not bought me anything today.
Spoiling you, baby
I'm
girl.
Shira's rich baby daddy.
That is not true.
I am.
That's not
this
true.
is true.
That's
Everything
not true.
else is false.
That's false.
statement.
You're false.
I am very rich. I have lots of money, and Shira did not have to buy me anything at all today, and I've definitely not run out of money. I'm not lying. I swear.
I swear.
I swear.
I'm gonna break my monitor. I swear.
With nothing to show for it, said, do you feel the wind? All the evil things take you from here. In my car, I turn
I've been, I have 1 minute left on this because I was recording all that.
Horse Jump Pro Love was really good. We had a really nice time. I love my girlfriend a lot, and our taxi's on the way, and we're gonna get a taxi to the train station and a train back home, and then we're gonna go to bed. And I'm gonna get up early in the morning. I don't get to lie in bed with my girlfriend. Boo!
We did that earlier, so it's okay. We made up for it.
Yeah. I should just quit my job.
You should.
Quit my job to lie in bed with
You
girlfriend.
should, yes.
Full-time liar in bed with girlfriend.
I'm gonna give you a raise.
Huh?
I'm gonna give you a raise.
Yes! My work has never given me a raise.